In this video, I will walk you through how to trade futures in the Phemex app. If you want to get an exclusive sign-up bonus, you'll find the sign-up link down in the video description. Then you'll be taken straight to the sign-up page where you can create an account in about 30 seconds and automatically qualify for a bonus of up to several $1,000s. Alright, so once we are inside the app right here, we can now go to the futures trading by simply going down here to futures. Then we get to this page right here. First of all, we can see our available balance in here. If you don't see any here yet, simply click on this plus and make sure to transfer it over from your spot account to your futures account. If you don't have any money yet on your Phemex account, you first need to go down here to wallet, choose deposit and a cryptocurrency, and then you can easily send money here. If you need help with that, I have many more other tutorials where I show you step by step how to deposit money on Phemex. All right, next up, let's jump right into this trading platform right here. First of all, in the top left, you can choose your trading pair. So you can see all these different coins that you can trade on here. On the right side, this button right here is also important because it lets you quickly view this small price chart in here. You can choose different timeframes in here so you can quickly see what the price chart is currently doing. You can also minimize that again. Down below, we have these two sections. On the right side, we have the order book, and on the left side, this control center where we can open and close our trades, where we can choose the leverage, the order type, set the position size, add a take profit or stop loss, and open long or short positions. Down below, we can see the section where we will later see our opened positions, our open orders, as well as our history. All right, let's go back up and open our first long trade by simply going in here. Make sure to have isolated, and let's start off with a 5x leverage in here for now. Down below, we can choose open, and then in here, choose market to open the order immediately. Next up, we can choose the position size. We have different options in here in Bitcoin or USDT. I personally like it more in USDT because it's easier to read. Let's say I want to open a $500 position size. I can simply type that in here. That means around 0.007 BTC. And down below here under cost, I can still see how much of my own money I'm using for that. In this case, it's around about $100 because the $100 of my own capital for this trade times the 5x leverage that I'm using will equal an entire position size of $500 in here. Next up, I can also add a take profit or stop loss if I want to do that. Just tap this check mark right here. You could now either type in the prices directly, or if you click on advanced, you have even more customization options. For example, in here, instead of typing in a price, you can also set it by return on invest on your own capital as a percentage, by price change, or by P&L as an absolute value of dollars that you would make as profit or loss. I personally like this the most because now I can simply type in, I want to make $40 of profit. You will see price is automatically calculated. Return on invest in this case is also 40% because I'm using $100 of my own capital. So $40 on $100 means 40% also. Down here, I can do the same for my stop loss. Let's say a loss of $15 at this price right here. Let's hit confirm. Everything is set up. And let's go to open, and as you can see, now we have our first trade down here. So let's go quickly over everything we can see in here. You can see it's a Bitcoin long trade with a 5x leverage. Here we can see our currently open profit or loss in dollars and as a percentage. Down below, we can also see our realized P&L. So this usually means transaction fees that you've paid so far, or also if you close parts of your trade, profits or losses, whatever, that will flow into this value right here. Next to it, we can see the position size in dollars, and if you tap on it, also in Bitcoin again. And here's our margin, our own capital, the $100, our entry price where we entered the trade, the current price, and the liquidation price. Liquidation price means if we don't have a stop loss, which we currently do right here, but let's say we don't have a stop loss and the price would crash down to $55,000, then this trade right here would be so-called liquidated, which means it would be closed automatically by the platform and we would lose our entire margin, our own capital in this trade. But of course, we can prevent that from happening by placing a stop loss beforehand, which we already did in here. So if you tap on that right here, we can see here's our take profit, here's our stop loss. You can also go to edit, change any of these values. Down here, you can directly see also, okay, that's my profit and loss at these two. And of course, you can also just cancel them and then just click on add down here, or just click on TPSL again, and then just simply add a new one. That's also possible at any time. All right. Next up, I also want to show you how you can increase and decrease your position size in here, because you can also do that later on. To increase your trade, simply go up here and do as if you would open another trade again. So let's say I want to add another $200 to this trade. So I'm going to type that in here. Then I'm simply going to hit open long again, confirm, and you will see now I have increased my position size to a bit more than $600. It's not exactly $200 because I'm using such small values in here, and it needs to be rounded to an even BTC number in here. So as you can see, I have actually added 0.002 BTC to this trade, so that's a little less than $200, but that's simply how it works. Just type in here the amount and then it will be added onto your existing trade. Same of course works for closing parts of your trade. Either just go up here, go to close, choose the amount or type it in and click close long, or you can also hit close down here, then choose how much percent or type in the dollar value. Let's say I want to close 50% of this trade. Confirm. You can also see that I'm taking some profits out, and then you will see that we've now decreased our position size to only half of it and also our margin. Last thing I also want to show you is that you can edit your leverage. You don't set that up in here forever. You can also change that later on by just going down here on this pen icon. And then you can either increase or decrease your leverage. Of course, the more you increase it, the less margin is required in this trade and the more capital of your own will be freed up for any other use. And of course, the higher of a position size as possible for this trade. And also down here, you can see your liquidation price. Then of course also moves closer and closer the higher of a leverage you use. And of course, the lower the leverage is, the opposite is the case. So just some things to notice for you, but just so you know that also the leverage is editable later on. All right, so in the end, to close your entire trade, just hit close, choose 100%, confirm, and then you're also out of your entire trade again. Don't forget to claim your sign-up bonus right now by creating an account with a link in the video description. And if you have any other questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.